For number 3, we are looking at details to help us determine the main idea. Remember, details are specific things that support the main idea. There is a lot to learn about Mercury. So in our text, we can look at headings for specific details about the main idea. We're going to highlight those headings in yellow. You may already have them highlighted from our reading. Headings are the first sentence or the topic sentence of a paragraph, and those tell us what the whole paragraph is going to be about. So we can see in paragraph 2 that a detail that supports information about Mercury, there's a lot to learn, is that Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. We can use that as one of our details. Make sure that you are pausing the video if you need extra time to type out your answer. So Mercury, I can go back and look at my topic sentence again, is the smallest planet in our solar system. Is the smallest planet in our solar system. Now I'm going to make that a little bit smaller so then it'll fit on one line. And then find another detail. I can look at the heading of another paragraph. 2 spacecrafts have visited Mercury. That is another sentence that supports our main idea. There's a lot to learn about Mercury. I'll have to go back and look at that again. 2 spacecrafts have visited Mercury. 2 spacecrafts have visited Mercury. If you need to pause the video to type these in, you may go ahead and do that now. And we will move to number 4. What is the main idea of paragraph 2? Now, when we're looking at the main idea of a paragraph, we see paragraph 1 right here, paragraph 2, we can look at the topic sentence. So the topic sentence says Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. So majority of what this paragraph is going to talk about is it's going to talk about its size. It's going to talk about what it looks like. We can see some of those details in there. That it has craters in it, so that's something else that says what it looks like. It also talks about the temperature. So this paragraph, the main idea, is what the planet looks like and the climate. So let's see if any of these match that. So actually A says what Mercury looks like and its climate, what the temperatures are. That's what that whole paragraph spoke about. It did not talk about, the whole paragraph did not talk about its similarities to the moon. A detail in there was that the temperatures were hot or cold, but that's not what it talked about the whole paragraph. And also it didn't even talk about Mariner 10 in that paragraph. Now let's look at number 5, what is the main idea of paragraph 3? So we can look at paragraph 3 right here. Look at the topic sentence. Once again, 2 spacecrafts have visited Mercury. And we can see some of those details, some things that we see repeated. Mariner 10. We also see Messenger in there twice. So the main idea of this paragraph is 2 spacecrafts, Mariner 10 and Messenger, visited Mercury. Two spacecrafts, Mariner 10 and Messenger, visited Mercury. Now you can pause the video if you need to copy that out. And we will finish with number 6. How did Messenger help us learn about Mercury? Choose all that apply. So I'll choose a purple. So Messenger mapped the entire planet. So let's look at what Messenger did. We'll go back to paragraph 3. So it flew around Mercury 4,000 times and it mapped the planet. So that is a detail that supports. So that would be an answer. Messenger discovered ice on Mercury. So let's see if that's a detail. This spacecraft also discovered ice. That's another detail that supports our main idea. So we have 2 answers. Messenger helped us learn about Mercury's temperature. It did because it told us that there is ice on the planet. And Messenger orbited around Mercury more than 4,000 times. Now that doesn't help us learn about Mercury. It just tells us what Messenger did. So our 3 answers are A, B, and C. Once you are finished filling out your page, you are finished with this section of our reading skill.